Hi, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the weight matrix in the spatial data using GEODA and then convert that weight data into matrix in an Excel in quickly, so that if you have many countries in a weight matrix, it will take less time to wait to create the weight matrix. So we'll start with first of all reading the shape file. So I have the shape file data, and then once it is here, you will go here for the weights, and then we want to create a weight, and for that id variable, create an id variable. Then for distance, go with kilometers, and then increase the bandwidth so that maximum possible neighbors can be included in that bandwidth. If distance is more than this with any neighbor, then it will be not included as a neighbor. So when you create this, it will ask for this data file to be saved. I will save it as this Asia distance, and it will create the matrix file, but you have to convert it into matrix. So we will go there and open the data file, and this file is this one. So when you open it, it will open it as a notepad. You will see data like this. So you have to do Control All and copy, and then move it into Excel. The problem is that there are 43 countries, so it's a 40. You have to create a 43 by 43 matrix, and so we will show that here. So the data is pasted. Now you have to convert it into rows in data, text to columns, delimited, and space, tab close, and then finish. So it will convert it into 3. So it will be country 1, country 1, country 2, and distance. So you can name it. Now if you do it manually, it will take a lot of time because you have to create a 43 by 43 matrix, and if you do have to do it manually, you need to make sure that this column is sorted to increasing order. But the shortest way is that you just highlight the data, make sure that spelling are correct. Country 1, highlight the data, and go insert a pivot table, and in the pivot table, country 1, country 2, country 1 should move at x-axis, country 2 move in columns, and then distance should be here. So it should not be, it should be sum of distance or average, because it's only one value, the answer will be same. So you have created the matrix. So just copy that without taking the grand total, because you don't need that. Copy it, and in the next empty sheet just paste it as values. So when you get it here, you will convert it into v1, v2, and then drag it to the till the end, so that you can have a alphabetical letter as a variable name, so that when you import it into any software as a matrix, it will read it as variables and as observations. Make sure you put it zeros in the middle, because they are the actual value v1 to v11 should be 0. So when you add zeros here, it will convert it into a matrix that you wanted to do. So this method will save your time in making a matrix where you have to manually type the values for each row and column, and if there are too many countries, it will take a lot of time. So in this video, you can learn how to make it in a shorter time, and then move it into the software to do the spatial analysis on the data. Thank you very much.